machine so bright, glowing softly in the lab light. Buttons flashing red and blue. Wow, said Tony, what can it do? A magic world is coming true. Tony stepped inside with cheer. Doors closed slowly, none of fear. Lights were spinning all around, magic humming like a sound. Future journey now is near. Tony pressed the shining key. Time began to twist and see. Rings were spinning in the air. Winds of time were everywhere. Hold on tight, said energy. Through a tunnel deep and wide, stars and clocks were in the ride. Past and future mixed as one. Time adventure had begun. Tony smiled with joy inside. Dinah's roared in jungle land. Tony waved with happy hand. Then he jumped to Egypt, gold pyramids and stories told. Every world was bright and grand. Castles tall with flags so high, knights were riding in the sky. Then the future city gleamed, robots walking like a dream. Storm of time began to shake. Lightning cracked and space would break. But Tony stayed so brave and strong, singing time machine song. No more fear, I won't mistake. Finally home with smiling face, back again in lab safe place. Time machine stood glowing still. Tony's heart was full of thrill. What a magical time space. The light, pour and stir, the colors blend. Watch the magic never end. Tony smiles as he pretends. Science is his best friend, fun around each bend. Little boom and puff of smoke. Tony laughs, it's not a joke. Colors dance in every stroke. Science fun is what he spoke. Joy in every poke. Looking close with careful eyes. Tiny wonders in disguise. Tony learns and feels so wise. Science holds a big surprise. Magic never lies. DNA is spinning round. Secrets of life can be found. Tony smiles at what he's found. Learning makes a happy sound. Knowledge all around. Tiny sparks go zap, zap, zap. Tony jumps and gives a clap. Electric fun in science lab. Learning makes his mind unwrap. Smartness on the map. Thinking hard with glowing brain. Trying once and once again. Tony smiles, no more strain. Now he understands the chain. Learning is his game. Experiment works just right. Glowing colors shining bright. Tony beams with pure delight. Science victory inside. Future shining bright. Fun tricks start today. Tony learns in magic way. Little tricks that help us grow. Watch the learning start to glow. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Numbers dancing in the air. Magic makes them fun to share. Tony waves his wand so bright. Learning feels so full of light. Joy is everywhere. Smart tricks help us learn so fast. Knowledge that will always last. Tony thinks and finds the way. Learning more with every day. Growing smart at last. Guess the answer if you can. Tony plays a thinking game. Question marks all float around. Smart ideas soon are found. Learning is the plan. Learning is the plan. Colors changing red to blue. Magic shows a different view. Tony laughs with great delight. Everything feels fun and bright. Amazing what they do. Count them quickly one by one. Learning numbers can be fun. Tony shows a speedy way. Counting faster every day. Math is number one. Learn things quickly, don't delay. Tony finds a better way. Fast and fun the learning goes. Every day his knowledge grows. Bright and happy day. Bright and happy day. Try this trick and you will see. Learning fun for you and me. Tony points and gives a clue. You can learn it quickly too. Smart as you can be. Master of the tricks today. Tony wins in every way. Golden star and shining bright. He has learned it all just right. Hip, hip, hooray! Keep on learning, never stop.